Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone listening to this broadcast, especially to the community of Tibians. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Freedom for Humanity. Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunluwa Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Joy, one of the co-admins of TBC and also an economic developer in TBC. On our reflections of Freedom for Humanity. This morning I'll be talking on the right time. Right thing, right time. Why it is the right time for you to get and acquire TBC, the billion coin. TBC is a community of abundance, love, and respect. TBC has come to eradicate poverty globally. TBC is God's ordained concept to eradicate poverty. This has been proven in the last 5 years. And you know why it's now the right time for you to acquire more coins? By the concept of this abundance, 1 billion coin was mined, and that's why we are still in that way. And the process is to give it out to minimum of 1 billion people and make them billionaires. And they will also in turn go and make other millionaires, and at the same time, that is how the wealth will be distributed. There will be no lack. There will be enough abundance for everyone to access, to use. And now that we are in our distribution period, this is the right time for you to acquire your own share of the coins. This is the right time for you to acquire your own share of the wealth. Don't forget, TBC is a generational wealth. TBC is a generational wealth. Why you need to acquire your TBC right now? One also is to secure your abundance. You need to key into the right timing, and this is the right time for you to key into it. And in view of the right timing, you need to understand that this is the better time. There can be no any other better time to come into the billion community and acquire enough coins. Yeah, and acquire coins. Registration into the community of Tibians is free. It's free, but there are other tasks that you do to acquire more coins. You perform a task, you are being rewarded with coins, enough coins. You need to secure your future, putting in place the right thing that will give you comfort, that will give you peace, that will give you happiness, so that you will be able to serve your Creator in abundance. That is why you need TBC right now. You need to make proper arrangement for your well-being tomorrow, so that come what may, whatever happens, you have enough to live on. You also need to come to TBC right now and acquire more coins. You put in adequate programs, adequate system, adequate operations in place for your future. There is no better time for you to plan for that better tomorrow than now. And guess what? TBC has a very good, robust, and well-structured plan to give you that, for you to achieve that. Yeah, we have been in that for the past 5 years. We can prove that. Also, do you know why it is the right time for you to come into TBC? For you to have a good and proper retirement plan for yourself. Yeah, good and proper retirement plan for yourself. You don't need to work and labor and stretch yourself until you are of age before you leave active work. No, it was not designed like that. It was not designed like that. So, at your useful age, at your real time, you can retire and manage things. Yes, you don't need to stress yourself. TBC has come to offer you such a wonderful opportunity. Also, guess what? To put in place structures that will give you continuous rest and fulfillment in life. Why? Because TBC is a generational wealth, and it will give you that which you can leave as a legacy for your children. You have enough to spend, you have enough to use, and you have enough to live for your children. That is the uniqueness that TBC has come to offer. Guess what? In life, many of us don't plan. Many of us fail to take the right opportunity at the right time. Same thing happens to you and I, and in pursuit of our achievement and our dreams. The truth is that most of us, sometimes, some way, we refuse to do what we need to do at the right time. We defer it till tomorrow. We defer it till tomorrow. Things we're supposed to do now until it is late. Guess what? This is the right time for you to come into the billion community and acquire that which belongs to you. Acquire the wealth. Acquire the resources that you need to live life. We have enough coins now. You need to come and acquire yours. We are already acquiring ours, so come and acquire yours. Yeah. Guess what? And for us, and why do we keep wondering why success is becoming such a difficult task for us to achieve, in spite of all the effort that we are putting in and our passion. Why? Because we fail to take the right step at the right time. We don't realize that it may be putting the best of our efforts into belated assignments. Those are reasons why most times we didn't get our dream achieved. This is the right time. This is the right time for you to come into the billion community and getting acquire more coins for tomorrow. We struggle against times by the reasons of our procrastination. How many of you are there watching this broadcast, this video? You have heard about the billion coin, you've heard about TBC, and you refuse to. Saying tomorrow, saying tomorrow, saying tomorrow. Register for free. Performing all the various tasks. Acquire coins. If you want more, then go ahead, go for the premium. Yeah. But with free registration, you can come in and get something. So don't procrastinate, because most of us, we fail to understand the importance of time. This is the right time. This is the right time. Time is not infinite as it looks. In fact, it is limited and definite. So this is the right time for you to come to the billion community and acquire more coins for yourself, so that you can have a good life to live. The billion coin has come to offer you abundance. We have over 22,000 and still counting merchants where you can shop with our coins. And guess what? There are a lot and lot of benefits in the billion community. The billion community is a community of abundance. There's no lack. Lack is artificial. Poverty is artificial. They are man-made. And TBC has come to change the tide. So come on board. Join us to live a life of abundance. I urge you, for as many who are yet to come, you can check the link below this video. Click on the link. Register for free. Join any of our online groups for additional information and knowledge. And also you can contact me for more guidance. TBC is my birthright. TBC is your birthright. Come and claim your birthright. So thank you very much. I want you to like this video, subscribe to it for many upcoming videos, and share to your loved ones. Thank you. God bless you. See you in our community.